Dear students, today we will discuss the trimethoprim synthesis. Trimethoprim belongs to which category? We have studied along with the sulfonamides. As it is not a sulfonamide but is a diaminopyrimidine derivative. And it is the component of what, that is co-trimoxazole, and co-trimoxazole we have studied in a complete descriptive manner. Now we would like to discuss the synthesis of trimethoprim. Number of times university exams as well as different competitive exams like DCO and GPAT, starting material is asking of trimethoprim. Similarly, in the university exam, the complete synthesis of the trimethoprim generally it is asked. Okay, now we would like to discuss the synthesis of trimethoprim. Trimethoprim, as you know, the trimethoprim is the derivative of aminopyrimidine ring system, and tri, we have discussed the tri, that is the three, and metho means methoxy. That's why we are starting from trimethoxy derivative. It is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, a benzene ring having a aldehyde group, that is known as benzaldehyde. This is the benzaldehyde moiety, this is the aldehyde moiety, and this one the benzaldehyde. Then how much? 3 methoxy group, that is 3, 4, 5 trimethoxy benzaldehyde. Okay, this is trimethoxy benzaldehyde, means the starting material of the trimethoprim is known as trimethoxy benzaldehyde. Keep in mind, number of times it is asked in different competitive exams. Okay, now as you know, this it is known as sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride is a reducing agent. Sodium borohydride is a reducing agent, and it reduces aldehyde to ketone. Note, sodium borohydride reduce the aldehyde to respective alcohol. See, this is the aldehyde, and when we will reduce to, then it will be the respective alcohol, means this reaction is known to be reduction. Okay, this reaction is reduction. Clear? Now in next step, then this is the means benzyl alcohol derivative. Benzyl alcohol derivative, as this methyl is the carbon, and here OS, it is easily simple reaction by mean of substitution. Substitution means chloride will be substitute here, means benzyl chloride will be formed, means it is very simple. As you know, reaction number second, that is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, this is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction will form the respective halide formation. Next one, if here chlorine is there and cyano group is there, both here, that this methyl carbon is attached, then at the same time here what will happen, in this respect, the simple condensation reaction, that is reaction number third. This one, the condensation reaction. How it is condensation reaction? This what is this? This one ethyl, and this one ester, means ethyl acetate. Which ethyl acetate? Cyanoethyl. Okay, cyanoethyl acetate. Okay, I must write the name cyanoethyl acetate. Okay, this part is attached to this part, and chloride will be removed. Similarly, next step, what will happen? Try to understand here sodium and what is this formic acid, and this one the ethyl moiety means ethyl formate. What is that? Ethyl formate. Now, in presence of sodium, what will happen? Try to understand. Here, second carbon. Here, this second carbon. This second carbon attached this formyl moiety. What is the formyl? CH this part is attached. Means what will happen? This carbon it attached by mean of this ring, and methoxy group will be removed as, and this step is known as, that is reaction number 4, that is formylation. That is formylation. Okay, means see both hydrogens are removed, and this carbon is this carbon, and this methoxy, and here both hydrogen are removed and by replacing mean of this CHOH. Clear? This is the double bond substitution. Next one, just this ring starting. This material is known as what? Carbon having 3 nitrogen means 3 amino group, that is guanidine. That is guanidine. Okay, this guanidine is attached. How it is attached? See, here is the methoxy, here is the one hydrogen that remove as C2H5OH. Okay, this is the alcohol, and similarly again here OH and here H, removal of water molecule, means it is attached as such. Here how it is attached? This is the NH2, this is the NH2, this is the NH, means that one hydrogen is shifting to the oxygen, that form OH, and similarly this nitrogen it attached to carbon. Okay, this carbon here, this carbon. Now this is the ring formation, means reaction number 5. Reaction number 5 known as that is simply condensation. Simply condensation, or we can say also ring closure or ring formation. That is, see which reaction is there? That is the pyrimidine ring system, as we have discussed. Pyrimidine ring system. Pyrimidine ring system. Here see what will happen. Here OH group is there. OH group easily substituted by phosphorus oxychloride. Phosphorus oxychloride. What will happen? Here OH will replaced by respective chlorine. Then this is the simply chlorination. It is we can say that reaction is the 6th number, that is simply substitution. Simply substitution reaction. Okay, or we can say chlorination. Now this is the chlorination. Means simply this ring system I have managed in this form. NH2 group, this is NH2 group. OH group is replaced by mean of chlorine, that means chlorine. Here chloro derivative is there. Chloro derivative simply reaction with the amino group, that is that is the formation of amino derivative, means similarly reaction number 7. Reaction number 7 we can easily correlate, that is simply substitution reaction. Substitution reaction, and again we can know we can say that ammonia reaction, that means amidation. This reaction is amidation. Okay, this is the simply our drug, that is a trimethoprim. This is the step synthesis of the trimethoprim. Just I am discussing overview starting from. Try to understand. Benzaldehyde simply reduced in presence of sodium borohydride to respective alcohol, means benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol reacted with sulfonyl chloride, that alcohol converted into halide, means alkyl halide, that is benzyl halide, benzyl chloride, or benzyl chloride treated with the cyanoethyl acetate, which results the formation of ester derivative. Ester derivative reacted or treated with sodium and ethyl formate which results the formylation of the intermediate gives the double bond carbon derivative which is treated with guanidine. That guanidine forms the ring formation of what pyrimidine ring formation is there. That pyrimidine derivative having OH group will be replaced by phosphorus oxychloride, that is formation of chloride derivative easily can be replaced by amino by mean of ammonia reaction and removal of HCl and formation of trimethoprim. Okay, this is all about the synthesis of trimethoprim. In generally university exam, number of times as I asked earlier, write the synthesis of trimethoprim. You have to produce these all 7 steps, then you will get 100% marks. Okay.